Hello guys, hope so you are doing good. In this video I will show you how to fix no notification sound in Moto G77. First of all, turn off do not disturb. Open settings. Now in settings, scroll down, click on sounds and vibration. Click on do not disturb. And if you want turn off do not disturb, then click on turn off now. After click on turn off now, turn off do not disturb from your phone. Now go back. After that, turn on notifications. Open setting. Now in settings, scroll down, click on notification. Click on app notification. Now here you will see app notification. Select app that you want to turn off on notification. After turning on notification, turn on notification from your phone. Now go back. After that, reset accessibility settings. Again open settings, scroll down and click on system. Scroll down, click on reset options, click on reset device settings, and again click on reset device setting. After click on reset device setting, all accessibility setting will be reset from your phone. Now go back. After that, software update, open setting. Now in settings, scroll down, click on system updates, click on check for updates and click on update. After click on update, your phone software will be updated from your phone. This is how you can fix no notification sound in Moto G77. I hope so you like this video and thanks for watching this video.